Our thoughts are potent. They shape our reality in ways we often underestimate. What we believe becomes our truth, influencing every aspect of our lives. If we focus on lack, we attract more lack, perpetuating a cycle of scarcity. But here's the empowering part. We can choose abundance. We can shift our thoughts and create a life overflowing with wealth and prosperity. Affirmations are a powerful tool for this transformation. They are positive statements that, when repeated consistently, can reprogram our subconscious mind. By integrating affirmations into our daily routine, we can cultivate a mindset of abundance and positivity. Imagine starting each day with a powerful affirmation, setting the tone for success and fulfillment. The power within us is limitless, waiting to be harnessed. Wealth affirmations are positive declarations about money, abundance, and prosperity. They work by replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. When we repeat affirmations with conviction, we begin to believe them. This belief then translates into actions that attract wealth and abundance into our lives. It's like planting seeds in the garden of our mind. With consistent nurturing, these seeds will sprout into a bountiful harvest of wealth and prosperity. By visualizing our goals and expressing gratitude for what we already have, we amplify the power of these affirmations. Consistency is key. Daily practice helps to rewire our subconscious mind, making it more receptive to opportunities and success. Over time, this mental shift can lead to tangible changes in our financial reality, creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. A positive mindset is crucial for financial success. When we believe in our ability to create wealth, we open ourselves up to opportunities. Positivity attracts success. It fuels our motivation, creativity, and resourcefulness, leading us to make wise financial decisions. Remember, wealth is not just about money. It's about abundance in all areas of life. Love, health, happiness, and fulfillment. Words that transform. Here are some powerful wealth affirmations you can use daily. I'm open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. Money flows into my life easily and effortlessly. I am a magnet for financial abundance. I am worthy of wealth and prosperity. Repeat these affirmations with feeling and visualize yourself living a life of abundance. Consistency is key. By incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine, you can shift your mindset towards positivity and attract the financial success you desire. Remember, the words you speak have the power to shape your reality. So, speak them with conviction and watch as your life transforms. Believe in the power of your words, and the universe will respond in kind. Embrace your abundance. You have the power to create a life of wealth and prosperity. Start using affirmations today and watch your reality transform. Believe in your ability to attract abundance. Embrace a positive mindset and take inspired action. The universe is abundant, and it is ready to shower you with its blessings. Open your heart and mind to receive. You deserve it.